And I was just trying to find the perfect spot.
Locations intended include Lansdale, West Norton, East Britain, Doylestown, Hatboro, Stoughton, Heather, Chalmont, Field, New Hope, Newtown, Dublin, Moore, Hennepin, England, Sutton, Flex, Boyle, Moore, and Washington Crossing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey,
3
Hunterdon and Mercer,
Jeez,
and the
that's
following
like 1 hour.
counties in
That's
Pennsylvania,
pretty
Bucks, and Montgomery. The following is